All right. So we got the Icon tool truck quality, unbeatable prices, professional tools master technician, 0% financing. It says experience the Icon Harbor Freight location near you. Equal monthly payments up to 36 month on qualifying purchases coming soon. Make sure you, if you're gonna go to SEMA, make sure you check them out. They are gonna be at SEMA. It says shop at Icon's Tool Storage. Start building your custom storage solutions. It says shop Icon hand tools. I guess they do have like a little way different for the tools in the toolboxes. It says Icon store locations. So I guess certain stores are gonna have Icon, not all the stores. That's according to this. That's what it's saying. I think that's what it's saying. Icon store. Let's look at this. Yeah, I guess that's gonna be pretty much the norm. It says see Icon in these select stores, orderable in all stores. Okay, so what we can see here is that there's gonna be certain stores that are gonna have Icon, and what? So only these two stores are gonna have Icon here in Phoenix. Yeah, I guess that's it. So I got two stores in Phoenix that are gonna have Icon, and not the rest. At least not for now. So yeah, so there's only gonna be select stores that's gonna have Snap-ons. That's weird. Or saying you can order in any store. So that's how they're gonna run it. Yeah, because obviously Icons. It's gonna take a lot more space, and there's gonna be a lot more things involved. 20% off coupon. Any Icon tool storage says valid in store only. Expires 10/31/19. So next month. It says use coupon 23050200. It says disclaimer: good Harbor Freight stores, or by calling 1-800 number. Cannot be combined with any other discounts prior to purchases after 30 days original price with original receipt. Offer good while supplies last. Non-transferable original coupon must be presented. So feel free to take a screenshot of this coupon and save it just in case if you ever want to buy one of these boxes or accessories. It says designed for the master technician. Icon assembled world class team professional engineers, designs with decades of industry experience to accomplish one goal: create the finest tool cabinets in the market. Fraction of a price of tool brands results in masterpiece from thousands of hours of design, refinement, and rigorous testing. Lifetime guarantee, free delivery, fully modular, available in 4 colors. Parts available. Learn for more. Download catalog. So you can download the catalog. We'll go over that in another video. Yeah, that is the setup right there, as you guys can see. Icon features construction, 2,000 pound rated casters, adjustable forced drawer latches, 265 single and 530 pound double, premium non-slip liners, conventional exterior power, says power, 2 fast charging USBs. Alright, yeah. Interchangeable core lock with security mailed keys. Icon beats Snap-on professional double bank roller cabinets. Snap-on head-to-head battle. See the Icon's modular solution. Destroy competitor. So we got some competitor to the Snap-on 56-inch double back Masters series roller cabinet. So that's what they're comparing them. It's obviously really similar. Okay, price. All right, we got a price here with the coupon. We do have a coupon, as you guys saw the price when they started, for $3,999. So now we have a current price with the coupon for $3,199.99 compared to Snap-on for $6,945. It says coupon code 132. I'll put it up here. 132-11-439. Says valid in store. In stores expires 10/31/19. Because that's it for this. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.